In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Logitech G HUB to load lighting effects onto your G915 TKL keyboard with onboard memory mode enabled. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest version of G HUB and the latest firmware is loaded to your keyboard. Click the menu on the left, go to Settings, check for Update. We have the latest version. Go back, click your device settings for your keyboard. You see that firmware is up to date. Step 2. Create or select a profile. I have the tutorial profile created for you. You can just click this combo box, manage profiles, add more if you want, or switch to any profile you wish. Or you can click the menu on the left and go to Games and Applications. It leads to the same place. Okay, so we're using tutorial profile. Step 3, create a Lightsync effect. Click your keyboard, go to Lightsync menu. For my Lightsync effect, I'm going to use a freestyle. I'm using the default effect, which I've already modified to have specific colors for certain keys. Okay. Step 4, go to device settings and load the Lightsync effect onto the keyboard. Go back to device settings. We're going to select to replace vertical. There are two slots here, two effect slots on my keyboard. So I'm going to replace vertical. Click replace effect with the default freestyle. Just take a second to upload that to the keyboard. Okay. Step 5, go to Lightsync Presets and set the effect to the one you just loaded onto the keyboard. This is a very important step. So we click the keyboard again. In Lightsync, you need to click Presets and set the effect to the effects on device, the one we just loaded onto the keyboard, default freestyle. Okay. And now the final step, step 6, go to device settings, enable onboard memory mode, and load the profile onto the keyboard. Okay. Device settings. We will turn on the onboard memory mode. And now we will load our profile, replace with desktop tutorial profile, into the M1 slot. All right, that's all there is to it. Your light should be working on a keyboard now without the use of G HUB. So you can close up G HUB and you no longer have to load it up. All right, I hope this tutorial helped someone out there. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments or reach out to me or whatever. All right, thanks for tuning in and goodbye.